guys, what's going on? Welcome back to RuelTV. I hope all of you are doing good. It's nice to see you again. Are you fan of editing? Well, this channel is for you. This channel teaches different concepts of editing that will surely enhance and develop your editing skills. I know you are new to this channel. Just be updated to latest concept of editing. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so that you are always updated and notified to all of my branded and amazing manipulation of editing. You are really lucky since you are in a channel wherein all editing skills are packed. And now, let's do edits!
last forever and ever, then we would. Long as the gods will let us keep this loving going till it all loved out, till we're riding on the edge of new millennia. Cause we don't want it to ever end. We've been together all this time, now you're my only friend. We don't want it to ever end. We both know this could be over, but right now just hold me closer, kiss me like it's the best time, kiss me like you're still mine. We both know this could be over, but right now just hold me closer, kiss me like it's the best time, kiss me like you're still mine. So hard to walk our separate ways when all we ever said was how we make it someday. Every time I get up to leave, all these consequences come and linger on me. Cause we don't want it to be the end. We've been together all this time, now you're my only friend. We don't want it to be the end. We both know this could be over, but right now just hold me closer, kiss me like it's the best time, kiss me like you're still mine. We both know this could be over, but right now just hold
Finally, we are now done. Just simply save it and it will look like this. Want more videos? Don't worry, I have a lot of tutorials that I will going to upload soon. Just subscribe to be updated. If you enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to give a like. And if you have some questions, suggestions or clarifications about the video, just leave it to the comments section below and I'll see you there. See you next time!